how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Mike's RC Corner. Thanks for tuning into this, and just a quick video here on Labor Day holiday here in Canada. It was the day before school starts for the little man, my son, and we thought we'd just go to the RC track. And we knew that there was going to be oval racing going on, so we want to check that out, and we brought some of our other RCs along to go on the off-road track. I took some video footage of the oval racing. There's two kind of classes going on. There's one called street stock, which is 110 two-wheel drive buggies with special wheels and special bodies put on, and the other is mud boss. And then they also ran, I think, two-wheel drive short course trucks. So I got some footage of these oval races, so I thought I'd share with you. I thought it was pretty cool. We had a great time that day. We spent a couple hours at the track. So without further ado, enjoy the video. Catch you on the next one, guys. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.
That thing with the ripping. Hey, watch on the first shot. Whoa! Got down turn 1, 2. Oh, that's okay.
I'm second, Dad.
Yeah.
I crashed it. Yes.
Mr. P in the rock. There you got it. Kevin goes there too.
You're in the first.
Who's in the first?
Josh is moving on up.
Why are you second?
Yeah, I'm in second.
Oh, yeah.
The top
I'm
three.
definitely first.
Oh.
I hit
Let's see
you.
what happens.
No, I didn't hit you. Hey! I'm second. Dad, you're third.
40 laps to go after the first minute. We got Ross, Wayne, Dawson, Kevin, Justin, and Tom. Top 5 are on PT pace right now. That's pushing in. Dawson with a 6.2 watch on the front straight. Dawson got a 6.27 for a cross lap. Mr. Fordell is getting into the grass.
Mom.
Mr. Ford is feeling the pressure from Matthew. Came all the way from 500 miles to beat him. Whoa, look at boys. Queen Thomas in that black Camaro. John Bassett, Richard, and Adam, everybody's still on the same lap. Oh no, John's in the green stuff. Really stuff on the pipe there. John Rose. As nimble as a gazelle. I got Wayne, Richard, Adam, and Sean. Ooh, Queen's getting in trouble on stage 4. Still got himself a 1.5 second gap over Richard. Adam trying to gather everything up down the back through. Everybody's on the same lap, sir.
I'm third. You're
Orange is the last.
So he's just trusting to stay like this the whole day. My son's trying to boost it out.
That's smooth in that thing, dude.
And you stay down in that bottom groove, he won't have to worry about all he does. No, you don't look.
I'm
Okay.
third.
Orange second now.
There we go.
You're second.
Tokyo Drift.
Third. No, Dad, you're first.
The same thought for Sean Backer, if he's another.
I think the gray and red truck is first.
High side.
No, you.
Look at that.